Hi, my name is Nick Anderson, and you are here to learn what fingers to use for which chords on the ukulele. The fast answer is that there's no correct way because the fingers you use depends on other chords in the song and what you're going to be doing up and down the fretboard as you play. However, as a beginner, you just want to know what fingers should I use, and let's get going on some of these chords. So, I have made a beginner's guide, a beginner chord chart that you can download. It's in the description below in a link. Just click that link and it'll show you what fingers to use for the different chords on the ukulele. Now, before you download that chart, I want you to learn that this is your first finger, so this will show number 1 on my chord chart. This is your second finger, third finger, and fourth finger. So fourth finger is pinky, and then all the way down to your pointer finger, which is your first finger. Now, on ukulele, let's take the C chord for example. It's the first string on the 3rd fret. You could play it with your pointer finger, you could play it with your third finger. I mean, it's one finger, so you could play it with anything. However, on my chord chart, you'll see that, let's go to camera 2 here, you'll see that I have it listed to do your 3rd finger on that 3rd fret. And that's because then you're open to do your next chords, probably, which are some of these, with your other fingers. See, these are free and ready to go for your next chords. So I kept that in mind for beginners as I made this chord chart, and I don't think you'll find another chord chart like it on the internet because most chord charts just show those dots on the fretboard here and are like, oh, you just figure it out on your own, beginner. But you're a beginner, you don't know what fingers to use. So this chord chart shows you exactly what fingers to use. And a good rule of thumb, if you don't like the fingers that I chose, or if you're playing a more advanced song and those fingers don't work, here's a good rule of thumb. Look at the chord you're playing and figure out how to play it in just any way. And then look at the next chord in the song. Let's say it's that chord, or this, well, let's say it's a G. Let's say it's a G. So I've got this chord, which is a C, and then I need to switch to a G. The best way to do that is to figure out, okay, what's the easiest way my fingers can move to play that next chord? In this case, my favorite way, you've got your 3rd finger on the 3rd fret, and then your G. I'm going to do like this because then I only have to move this finger up 1 string, and these other ones just come down. So the reason I chose to finger the chord that way is because it's less movement. This finger just has to go up 1 string, and these just drop down. So as I'm playing my C chord, I can hover these fingers above the next strings they're going to land on for a quick chord change. All right, my name is Nick Anderson. I am the teacher of Uke Can Do It on my YouTube channel. If you liked this video, you found it informative, please subscribe. If you have any more questions, leave a comment. I'm happy to make more videos. And I already have quite a few videos on my channel explaining ukulele for beginners and helping you out on your ukulele journey. Otherwise, yeah, I don't have anything else to say. I hope this video was helpful, and you have a great rest of your day.